Thank you for clicking on this video. This is how to surf the web YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Fortnite error code LS0013. So that's the problem that I have. But if I open Fortnite, as you can see, wait a couple of seconds, and look, so I have the same arrow, the same launch field, the same error code. So you're not the only one, but I found a solution for this problem. So don't worry, I'll do my best. I'll try my best to help you. So please watch this video till the end, till the very end. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this YouTube channel. I'll try to post tutorials that will help you. So thank you. So what you need to do, guys, is to go on the search bar right over here, and here please write run, and now here write percentage local app data percentage and tab on OK button. Now you'll see this folder, and here look for Epic Games Launcher, and now go to saved, double click on save, and now you see this folder web cache 4430. Right click on it and go and delete this folder. But something I forgot to tell you, okay, which is you need to go right over here and close exit Epic Games, and now you can try again and you can delete this file. Okay, so now the next step is when you want to play Fortnite, please right click on Epic Games Launcher and tab on Run as Administrator, and you have to do this every time you want to play Fortnite. So please do so, try, and let me know in the comments down below if it worked. I hope it works. Now let me try, see if it works for me. And as you can see now it works. I'm not getting the error anymore. Subscribe, guys, to this YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Take care.